Do you feel like allergy season hits you harder every year? Stuffy nose, itchy eyes, constant sneezing, sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people worldwide struggle with allergies, but here's the good news: you don't always need to rely on over-the-counter medications to find relief. In today's video, we're diving into natural, science-backed ways to manage allergies and improve your quality of life. So grab a cup of herbal tea, get comfy, and let's get started. Before we jump into remedies, let's quickly understand what allergies are and why they happen. Allergies occur when your immune system overreacts to harmless substances, like pollen, dust mites, or pet dander. Common allergens include environmental factors like pollen, mold, and dust, food allergens such as nuts, dairy, and shellfish, and others like insect bites, latex, and certain medications. Symptoms can include sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, skin rashes, and even breathing difficulties in severe cases. Medications can provide quick relief, but they often come with side effects like drowsiness or dependency. Natural remedies work with your body's defenses, offering long-term benefits without unwanted side effects. Now that we know what we're dealing with, let's talk about some powerful natural strategies to combat allergies. A strong immune system is your best defense against allergies. Here's how to build it naturally. A nutrient-rich diet is your first line of defense against allergies, as the right foods can help regulate your immune system and reduce the severity of allergic reactions. Vitamin C is a powerhouse nutrient for allergy sufferers because it reduces the production of histamine, a compound responsible for common allergy symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, and itching. Histamine triggers inflammation and swelling in response to allergens. Vitamin C helps your body break down histamine faster, reducing allergic symptoms. It's also a potent antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals during allergic reactions. Best sources of vitamin C include oranges and other citrus fruits like grapefruit, lemons, and limes, bell peppers, especially red and yellow varieties, which have higher vitamin C content than oranges, berries like strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries, and cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale. Eat your vitamin C-rich foods raw or lightly cooked to preserve their nutrient content. Add them to salads, smoothies, or snacks. Quercetin is a flavonoid found in certain fruits and vegetables that has natural anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties. It stabilizes cells that release histamine, reducing allergy symptoms. Quercetin inhibits the release of histamine, preventing allergic reactions before they start. It also reduces inflammation in your nasal passages, easing congestion and irritation. Best sources of quercetin include apples, especially with the skin on, as that's where most of the quercetin is concentrated, red onions, kale and spinach, and berries, particularly cranberries and blueberries. Pair quercetin-rich foods with a healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, for better absorption. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids that play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including inflammation caused by allergies. Omega-3s reduce the production of pro-inflammatory chemicals, which can exacerbate allergy symptoms. They support overall immune system health, making your body less reactive to allergens. Best sources of omega-3s include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna, which are rich in EPA and DHA, the most potent forms of omega-3s, nuts and seeds such as walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds that contain ALA, a plant-based form of omega-3s, and plant oils like flaxseed oil and algae oil, which are excellent vegetarian options. Aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week or add a tablespoon of ground flax seeds to your morning oatmeal or smoothies for a daily omega-3 boost. By including these powerful nutrients in your daily diet, you can reduce allergy symptoms naturally while nourishing your body for better overall health. Did you know that your gut health plays a significant role in managing allergies? Around 70% of your immune system resides in your gut, making it a key player in your body's response to allergens. Probiotics, often called good bacteria, can help regulate this immune response and reduce the severity of allergic reactions. How probiotics work to manage allergies. An imbalanced gut microbiome can cause your immune system to overreact to harmless substances, triggering allergies. Probiotics restore this balance by populating your gut with beneficial bacteria that regulate immune responses. Allergies are often linked to chronic inflammation. Probiotics help reduce inflammation by producing compounds that soothe the gut lining and decrease the immune system's hyperactivity. A healthy gut barrier prevents allergens and toxins from entering the bloodstream, reducing the likelihood of an allergic reaction. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet is an easy and natural way to support gut health. Look for plain, unsweetened yogurt with live and active cultures. Greek yogurt is an excellent option for added protein. Yogurt is often fortified with vitamin D, which also supports immune function. Kefir is a fermented milk drink packed with a variety of probiotic strains. It's great for those with lactose intolerance, as the fermentation process breaks down most of the lactose. Kimchi and sauerkraut are rich in probiotics and also contain antioxidants that reduce inflammation. Choose raw, unpasteurized versions for maximum probiotic content. Miso is a fermented soybean paste commonly used in Japanese cuisine. Miso soup is an easy way to enjoy its probiotic benefits. Kombucha is a fermented tea that's not only trendy but also great for your gut. It's lightly fizzy and comes in various flavors, making it a fun way to get your probiotics. Tempeh is a fermented soybean product that's a fantastic plant-based protein source. It's versatile, use it in stir-fries, sandwiches, or salads. If you're not a fan of fermented foods or need an extra boost, consider probiotic supplements. Choose multi-strain probiotics. Look for supplements containing a variety of strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, which are known to support immune health. A daily dose of 10 to 20 billion CFUs is often recommended for general health and allergy management. Studies show that taking probiotics can decrease the severity of hay fever by modulating immune responses to pollen. Research suggests that probiotics can help prevent and manage eczema, an allergy-related skin condition. A healthy gut can even help regulate stress, which often exacerbates allergic reactions. Start your day with a bowl of yogurt topped with berries and flax seeds. Add a spoonful of sauerkraut or kimchi to your lunch or dinner as a side dish. Enjoy a refreshing glass of kombucha as an afternoon pick-me-up. Use miso paste to make a comforting soup or flavor sauces and marinades. By nurturing your gut with probiotics, you're not just improving digestion, you're also enhancing your body's ability to manage allergies naturally. A happy gut means a calmer immune system and fewer allergy woes. Drink plenty of water to thin mucus and reduce nasal congestion. Herbal teas like nettle tea or peppermint tea also help. Start your day with a smoothie packed with spinach, pineapple, ginger, and a teaspoon of local honey. This combo boosts immunity and helps desensitize your system to local allergens. Prevention is key when it comes to allergies. Let's look at some simple lifestyle changes that can help. Use HEPA air purifiers to remove pollen and dust. Vacuum with a HEPA filter and wash bedding in hot water weekly. Declutter to reduce dust buildup. Avoid harsh chemicals, use natural cleaners like vinegar and baking soda. Keep windows closed during high pollen days. Shower and change clothes after being outdoors to remove pollen. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from airborne allergens. Bathe pets regularly and keep them out of bedrooms to reduce dander exposure. Now, let's talk about some tried and true remedies that offer relief without side effects. Steam inhalation, boil water, add eucalyptus oil, and inhale the steam to open nasal passages and relieve congestion. Saline nasal rinse neti pot, clears out allergens and mucus from your nasal passages. Always use distilled or boiled water to avoid infections. Herbal remedies, butterbur, a natural antihistamine that can reduce sneezing and congestion. Stinging nettle, known for reducing histamine levels in the body. Turmeric, a potent anti-inflammatory spice that eases symptoms. Essential oils, diffuse lavender, peppermint, or eucalyptus oil to reduce nasal congestion and promote relaxation. Your daily habits play a big role in keeping allergies at bay. Here's what you can do. Exercise regularly, improves lung capacity and reduces inflammation. Opt for indoor workouts during high pollen days. Manage stress. Stress weakens your immune system, making you more prone to allergic reactions. Practice mindfulness, meditation to keep stress levels in check. Sleep well, aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to allow your body to repair and strengthen its defenses. Use hypoallergenic pillows and mattress covers. Let's wrap up with some quick hacks to make allergy management easier. Local honey, consuming a teaspoon daily can help your body build tolerance to local pollen. Peppermint tea, acts as a natural decongestant, soothing irritated nasal passages. Vitamin D, get some sunshine or consider supplements to support immune function. Apple cider vinegar, mix a tablespoon with water and drink daily to reduce mucus production. DIY allergy balm, apply a small amount of coconut oil around your nostrils to trap pollen before it enters your nose. And there you have it, natural, effective ways to manage allergies and take control of your health. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more health and wellness tips. And if you know someone struggling with allergies, share this video, they'll thank you for it.